Alright class, so today we're going to go ahead and review two-step equations. We started to review this in class and there was a few steps that I showed you before. First, I want you to create a t-chart. We're going to do number 3 for this example. Creating the t-chart lets me see what is on the same side of the variable on the same side of equal sign. So in this case right here, I'm looking right here. I am going to move my constant, which is my first step. My constant being the number next to on the same side as a variable, which is 8. I'm going to inverse it by subtracting 8 to each side. When I do that, I cross out my 0 pair. I will bring down this variable of negative 5w. I will put my equal sign and I will check what I have here. I have negative 37 plus negative 8. They're both negatives. I'm going to add them together and get negative 45. I'm going to do my inverse here because I have negative 5w, which is multiplication. The inverse is division. I'm going to divide on each side. That will cross out, and w is going to be equal to this. Negative divided by negative is a positive. 45 divided by 5 is 9. So that's number 3. Just make sure you're following your steps. You have 2 steps. You are inversing the constant, and then you are going to get the variable by itself. Let's try number 6. What I want you to do is create the t-chart. I know that this is on one side and this is on the other side of the equal sign. I'm going to inverse my constant on the same side of the variable. My constant, the same side of the variable, is 4. I'm going to add 4 to each side. That is step 1. I am going to bring everything down. This crosses out because it's my 0 pair. 13 plus 4 is going to give me 17 equals w over 3. My second step, which is the inverse of multiplication or division. In this case, I have division, so I'm going to do the inverse of multiplication on each side. This denominator will cross out. I will go ahead and do w is equal to 17 times 3, which is 51. Be sure that you're showing each step. Step 1 is you're inversing the constant. Step 2, you're doing the inverse of either multiplication or division. Okay? Follow your steps closely. Good luck.